AI is revolutionizing the field of mental health care, providing innovative solutions to improve diagnosis, treatment, and support for individuals with mental health conditions. By leveraging advanced technologies and data analysis, AI is transforming the way mental health care is delivered. One significant application of AI in mental health care is in early detection and diagnosis. AI algorithms can analyze various data sources, such as patient history, electronic health records, and behavioral patterns, to identify early warning signs of mental health conditions. This enables timely interventions and personalized treatment plans. AI-powered virtual assistants and chatbots are enhancing accessibility to mental health care services. These intelligent systems can provide users with emotional support, coping strategies, and resources for self-help. By leveraging natural language processing and sentiment analysis, virtual assistants can engage in empathetic and personalized conversations, improving mental well-being and reducing the stigma associated with seeking help. Machine learning algorithms are improving treatment outcomes by tailoring interventions to individual needs. By analyzing large datasets, AI can identify patterns and predict treatment responses, helping clinicians make more informed decisions. This personalized approach enhances treatment effectiveness and reduces the risk of adverse effects. AI is also enabling continuous monitoring and remote support for individuals with mental health conditions. Wearable devices and mobile applications equipped with AI algorithms can track physiological and behavioral indicators, providing real-time feedback and alerts. This helps individuals manage their symptoms, promotes self-care, and enhances overall well-being. Ethical considerations, such as data privacy and the responsible use of AI in mental health care, are of utmost importance. Safeguarding patient confidentiality and ensuring that AI technologies are developed and deployed ethically and responsibly are essential considerations in the integration of AI in mental health care. In our upcoming videos, we will explore more applications of AI in mental health care, such as AI-enabled therapy tools, emotion recognition technologies, and AI-assisted decision support systems. Join us as we dive deeper into the exciting intersection of AI and mental health care.